Hi everyone, wanted to feature our brand new listing today, starting from the outside, which we normally don't do, but we're doing it because you've got this beautiful interlock before the next snowfall comes in. This home has a total of 5 bedrooms. And this home feels more like a model home. 4 full bathrooms, fully finished basement, and top of location. You don't have any rear neighbors because you back onto a park. Walking distance to transit and also to shopping as well. You have a fitness center, restaurants. Best location in Barrhaven is what I deem this property. Come inside and let's have a look.